Did you know that the secret to incredibly shiny hair might already be sitting in your kitchen pantry? It sounds almost too simple to be true, but this common household staple is the key to unlocking salon-level gloss. For years, I battled hair that looked dull and lifeless. I tried clarifying shampoos, deep conditioning masks, but it still felt weighed down, coated in something I couldn't wash away. My hair wasn't unhealthy. It was suffocating under invisible buildup from products hard-water daily life. The solution? Not more products, but taking something away with one simple, inexpensive rinse. I discovered apple cider vinegar, ACV. ACV gently dissolves residue that makes hair flat and lackluster, restoring its natural ability to reflect light. Think of it as a reset for your hair and scalp. When the cuticle is rough and open, it scatters light and looks dull. ACV smooths and seals the cuticle, creating a flat surface that bounces light back, giving mirror-like shine. This is a game changer. No expensive routines required. So, what exactly is apple cider vinegar, and why is it so effective for hair care? At its core, ACV is fermented apple juice. Apples are crushed. Liquid is combined with yeast. Liquid is combined with bacteria to kickstart fermentation. Fermentation converts sugars into alcohol, and then into acetic acid. Acetic acid is the key component. It gives ACV its sour taste. It also gives ACV its pungent smell and its clarifying properties. When you see raw on a bottle, unfiltered on a bottle, or with the mother on a bottle, it means the ACV contains strands of proteins, enzymes, and friendly bacteria, not just for cooking, but for your hair and scalp. It all comes down to pH balance. Hair and scalp pH is slightly acidic, about 4.5 to 5.5. That acidity keeps the hair cuticle closed and smooth, protecting the inner hair shaft from damage and moisture loss. But alkaline shampoos can disrupt it. Hard water minerals can disrupt it. Chemical treatments like hair color can disrupt it. Alkaline environments make cuticles lift and separate, which causes hair to look frizzy, tangled, and dull. Enter apple cider vinegar, a hero ingredient. ACV is acidic, pH around 2 to 3. Dilute it with water and apply to hair. It lowers overall pH and counteracts alkaline effects. The acidic rinse makes cuticles contract and lie flat. A smooth, closed cuticle does two things. It protects the hair's core from damage, and it creates a uniform surface that reflects light brilliantly. That's why you see insane shine after one wash. ACV also benefits the scalp. Its antimicrobial properties help manage bacteria and fungi that can cause mild dandruff, flaking, and itchiness. Restoring the scalp's acidic mantle makes it harder for microbes to thrive. Its clarifying action cuts through buildup, sebum, dead skin cells, product residue that clogs follicles. That promotes a healthier foundation for hair growth. A clean, balanced scalp is the first step to healthy, vibrant hair. After one rinse, my hair felt lighter, cleaner, softer. The shine was obvious before I finished drying. Friends thought I'd been to the salon. I told them, diluted apple cider vinegar. They were shocked. Effective hair care can be simple. Sometimes the oldest tricks are the best. Now for the fun part. Creating and using your own shine-boosting ACV rinse. You don't need any special equipment. It only adds a few minutes to your shower routine. The key is getting the dilution right to avoid irritation. You will need a few basic items. Raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. With the mother. Water, a spray bottle, or a simple cup for pouring. Spray bottle for even distribution. Cup works fine too. 1 to 2 tablespoons raw, ACV. 1 cup, 8 ounces. Cool or lukewarm water. Fine or dry hair. Start with 1 tablespoon. Very thick or oily hair. Try 2 tablespoons. Mix ACV and water in your bottle or cup. Give it a good shake or stir. Wash with your normal shampoo and rinse completely. Squeeze out excess water. Lean over the tub and pour or spray onto your scalp. Work it down through lengths and ends. Saturate everything evenly. Once coated, massage scalp with fingertips for 30 seconds to a minute. Let the rinse sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Don't leave it longer than 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with cool water. Cool water helps seal cuticles and lock in shine. No conditioner needed. Hair will feel soft and detangled. Dry and style as usual. Prepare to be amazed. While an ACV rinse is a fantastic natural remedy, it is powerful stuff. Using it correctly is essential to avoid unwanted side effects. The most important rule: always dilute the apple cider vinegar. Never apply undiluted ACV to hair or scalp. It's a recipe for disaster. Its high acidity can be far too harsh. It can cause irritation, it can cause dryness, and in severe cases, mild chemical burns on the skin. Your hair can also become brittle from strong acid exposure. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV per cup of water. Effective yet gentle. Before dousing your head, perform a patch test, non-negotiable. Prepare a small amount of the diluted mixture and apply to a discrete area. Inside of your elbow, behind your ear. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse. Wait a full 24 hours. Watch for redness, watch for itching, watch for irritation. This simple precaution can save you major discomfort. Avoid getting ACV in your eyes. Acidic liquids sting. ACV is no different. When pouring or spraying, tilt your head back. Keep your eyes tightly closed. If it splashes in your eyes, don't panic. Immediately flush with lots of cool, clean water until stinging eases. Never apply ACV to broken or irritated skin, open cuts, sores, sunburn. ACV will sting and can worsen inflammation. Wait until your scalp is fully healed. If you have chronic scalp conditions like psoriasis, eczema, or significant hair loss, consult a dermatologist or a certified trichologist before trying ACV. They can provide personalized, condition-specific advice. You don't just have to take my word for it. The evidence supporting the benefits of an ACV rinse is widespread. Countless user testimonials, explanations from hair care professionals. Quick online searches show before and after photos from real people. Dull, frizzy, weighed down, visibly shinier, smoother, full of life. Hair feels cleaner for longer. Scalp itchiness subsided. Minor flakiness subsided after a few uses. Large-scale scientific studies are limited, but smaller lab-based research supports the idea. pH affects the hair cuticle. Acidic solutions help close and smooth it. A study in the International Journal of Trichology found alkaline products can increase negative surface charge, causing friction and cuticle damage. Diluted ACV helps neutralize that charge, reducing friction and protecting the hair shaft. Many stylists and colorists champion acidic rinses. They use pH balancing treatments in salons, especially after coloring, bleaching. These treatments help seal the cuticle, lock in color molecules, and restore shine. Celebrity stylists have recommended diluted vinegar rinses as an at-home trick. Their endorsements add credibility beyond an internet trend. The results speak for themselves in my circle. After I shared my success, several of my friends decided to try it. One friend with very oily hair said it stayed fresh an extra day, so she shampooed less. Another with color-treated hair used a very diluted mix and saw more vibrant color and less straw-like texture. Results vary by hair type, water hardness, and scalp chemistry, but most people notice improved shine, softness, and scalp comfort for the vast majority of people who try it. As you get ready to try an ACV rinse, you likely have a few questions. FAQ: hair color, hair loss, dandruff. One of the most common concerns is about the smell. Apple cider vinegar has a very distinct, pungent aroma. The smell does not linger in your hair. Rinse the mixture out thoroughly and let your hair dry completely. The vinegar scent will vanish, leaving behind the fresh scent of clean hair. If you're sensitive during application, add a few drops of an essential oil, lavender, rosemary. How often should you use the rinse? Don't use it every day. Frequency depends on your hair type and needs. Normal to balanced hair, once a week. Oily hair or heavy product users, twice a week. Dry hair, start every 2 weeks. Damaged hair, start every 2 weeks. Color-treated hair, start every 2 weeks. Always listen to your hair. Will ACV affect hair dye? ACV is acidic. There is a small chance it could hasten fading, especially semi-permanent dyes. Be cautious. Dilute. 1 tablespoon ACV in 2 cups water. Limit use to once every couple of weeks. Perform a strand test on a hidden section first. For most people, the shine benefits outweigh minimal color impact. Have realistic expectations. ACV can boost shine. ACV can help scalp health. It's not a cure-all for serious hair issues. It's unlikely to stop significant hair loss. See a doctor. Its antimicrobial properties may help mild flaking. It's not a substitute for medicated shampoo for persistent dandruff. Think of ACV as clarifying. Think of ACV as balancing. It reduces buildup. It boosts shine. It helps achieve smoother, healthier-looking hair. Try it on a small test area this week. You have nothing to lose and a whole lot of shine to gain.